Poem Those Winter Sundays is here for the reference to the context and explanation. Let's get started. Those Winter Sundays by Robert Haddon. Speaking indifferently to him who had driven out the cold and polished my good shoes as well. What did I know of love's austere and lonely offices? This is the third stanza of the poem Those Winter Sundays. The first part is reference. These lines have been taken from Those Winter Sundays. Don't forget to write as composed by Robert Haydn. Now here we have Sundays. Don't miss this S. In the context, the poem Those Winter Sundays talks about a father's inaudible matlab unspoken, and unspoken love for his child. His father works very hard, this is present tense because of central idea, and makes sacrifices without expecting praise or thanks from his family. The poem uses intense images of cold winter mornings and the father's hard-hitting work to show that love is often shown through activities, not mere words. But when the poet grows older in later, he feels sorry for not considerate or esteeming his father's care. Considerate means sympathetic. Esteeming value his father's care at the time. In the end, the poem displays that real love can be silent, persistent, and often goes unnoticed. Now, we are going to discuss explanation of the poem. In these lines, the poet expresses his regret, pachtawa, for childhood indifference towards his father's selfless, below acts of affection, mohabbat. Baba ki mohabbat se wo beniyaz tha. The father's driving out the cold and polishing the speaker's shoes are gestures of deep love and care. The phrase speaking indifferently reveals the son's emotional detachment from his father. He feels sorry and regretful for the delayed realization in his life of his father's silent and unvalued sacrifices he feels later in his life. Be glad of life because it gives you the chance to love, to work, to play, and to look up at the stars. Beautiful. Henry Van Dyke. The repetition of what did I know describes youthful ignorance and adult repentance. Peshtawa. He realizes that love is a duty that is performed soberly, seriously, austere, without expectation or gratitude. The language of the poem, Those Winter Sundays, is modest, but the meaning it conveys are insightful, expressive, and stimulating. The reader feels something deep and gracious. Both explicit mean outer, and implicit, that is the hidden meaning, invite the reader to reflect on. To reflect on mean think about and value the real worth of parental sacrifices. Great achievement is usually born of great sacrifice and is never the result of selfishness, says Napoleon Hill. So this is the end of the third stanza of the poem Those Winter Sunday. I would like to see your feedback in the comment box. Thank you.